Okay, buckets of recycled wax, the computer, more candles. This is my washer dryer room molds. Each one of these boxes holds 24 candles. This is my shower, more candles, candles. Heading into the, that's my plant. This is the factory going right now, candles. There's the sink. More candles. Oh, candle molds. There's my double boiler right now, cooking 22 pounds of candles. Each one of these boxes represents candles, 24. Those are ready to be wick and sticked. Candles, candles, bag of Bud Light, oops. And then these need to be cut, so I only got 3 cases here. And then this is where I cut them. That's my miter saw.